Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Made with Love video. Today I have a really fun layered card for you. This is my Cupid layered card. How sweet is this card? You have that fun sentiment there that says Happy Valentine's Day. You have cute little Cupid with his bow and some hearts and clouds all around the card as well. There's a nice spot there for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This file is part of Made with Love 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can find out more information about the VIP Access Pass for Made with Love 2026 in the description box below. No matter how you download the file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's first find the envelope, click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach, and we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base, go ahead and click Make, and you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing I'm going to do is layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the blue layer, red, and then pink. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer these together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side for just a few minutes. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. You can set that to the side. Go ahead and take your card base. We're going to fold and burnish along the score line. Open up the card. Add the messaging panel to the inside. Close up the card base and we can attach the front cover panel. And there is our card. I'm going to set that to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Let's make our envelope. For our envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring our side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. What did you think of this card? Wasn't it super easy to put together? I really hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Made with Love video. Bye-bye.